Hi, how are you? It's Iris Claesson, and I'm just doing a very quick video. It's not a very serious video, but I thought I'd do one regardless. So, welcome to my very messy workplace. This is my workstation, and yes, I should fix the cables and all that. It's a little bit messy, but that's sort of the way it is, unfortunately. Anyways, I thought I'd just do a very quick video and answer some questions in regards to my workstation. And the questions are, why do you have five monitors? What do you use them for? And also, you mentioned something about a funny story, how you ended up with five monitors. So I'll try to keep this very short, and I'll just tell the story first. I had only two monitors in the beginning, and then most of my colleagues had two or one monitor, and they decided they wanted to have the latest, newest, high resolution monitors, and they were just going to throw away the monitors. We tried giving them away because we don't have a lot of storage space, so we have nowhere to have all of them, and we have so many because we're many consultants here. And I asked if I could grab one of them, and they asked me, well, what, are you going to add another one and have three monitors? And I was like, yeah, why not? And then the more jokes they made about me having several monitors, the more I wanted to have more monitors, sort of as a practical joke. So suddenly I ended up with five monitors, and I just kept building them, stacking them on top of each other. And actually, I would love to have a sixth one, so it'd be a perfect pyramid. Or I would get the curved monitors and have it in a circle, so I can have like front end, back end, and I don't know, DevOps to the side. Well, the circle is gonna get too big if I do that. So I'm happy with with five monitors. So after half a year, this practical joke actually turned into my reality because I've gotten used to it, and I actually love having five monitors. I do use all of them, but at home I only have two, and if I work from my cafe, I only have my laptop. So I certainly can work with less monitors, but this works really well. So just give you an example what I use them for on a normal day. So I'm changing jobs in February. I'll be starting at Greenbyte as a senior backend developer on the data team. And therefore, right now, I'm just documenting a lot, as I'm still writing code, but also documenting what I'm doing. And I'm also the one sort of responsible for our DevOps pipeline. So today, for example, I'm making some changes in the solution. So we have recently started using code analyzers. Yes, I know we should have done this ages ago, but yeah, never mind that. We're using code analyzers now, and I'm sort of implementing them and disabling and enabling and sort of tweaking our rule sets. So that's what I'm currently doing. So Visual Studio will take two monitors for me. One is sort of like the command line, and I need to check a few things, and then I have one where I'm actually in the code making changes, yada yada. Then on the top left monitor, I have PowerShell ICE. Somebody made a comment like, "You must be the last person on earth using the ICE." I love it. I love it. I do have VS Code with the PowerShell plugin as well, but I just love the ICE, so I'm just gonna keep using it. And I'm writing some PowerShell scripts that will parse and work with the analyzer's logs that our build pipeline is creating. And what I have here is an RDP session into our build server where I have TeamCity open, and I'm working on the build configurations. And on the top right corner here, the monitor here, I have our wiki where I'm writing documentation, so describing what I'm actually doing. So my current workflow is tweak, 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 run and check, tweak the script, move it to the build server, and also document all at the same time. And in the background, I have Slack, which we use for communication. One of my colleagues is waiting for a build, and I'm communicating with him regarding that, so I don't tweak the build steps as he's producing a new patch for production. And I also have a screenshotting tool. I'm a big fan of TechSmith tools, and I'm using both Snagit and Camtasia for taking screenshots and other things I need for the documentation. And a few other things as well. On a normal day, besides this, when I'm not documenting, Visual Studio will take up three monitors. I'll have one running the unit tests. Then I'll probably have PowerShell on one monitor because I always use it for something. And then on the third one, I might have sort of our God mode, which is our you can't see there's like a massive screen on my right hand side, which has all the stats from our logs that we push to application insights on Azure. So I can see what's happening and if we have a sudden increase in exceptions or errors and things like that. So yes, I actually use all the monitors while biking. So can you tell I have ADHD? Probably, you can probably tell that. And I always stand or bike or balance. This was actually great because I had an ACL replacement surgery and I had to retrain my knee. So I've been using this one and I'm a pro. I can basically stand on one leg dancing and not lose my balance. So all right, that was today's video. I'm not sure how valuable it was, but I hope it has some entertainment value. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of the sound. I'm using my new Sony in-ear noise cancelling headphones, and the microphone is a little bit so and so. I'm not terribly happy with them actually, but I'll save that review for a separate video. Hopefully the sound is a little bit better. If not, I'll get a hold of a decent microphone. I promise. Thank you for watching. Bye.